Hi, I'm Dwayne Morris, and I want to welcome you once again to my channel, The Urban Soul Chef. And if you have not, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Today, what I want to share with you is a cornbread recipe. Now, this is not just ordinary cornbread, but this is my country southern style cornbread. This cornbread is not overly sugary to make it taste like a cake, but it's like serious cornbread. And it's light, it's fluffy, and it's buttery. This cornbread is so good, you want to take it and use it to soak up the juice from your beans, your greens, and it's just great. So, without further ado, let's get into cooking this cornbread. Come on, let's get to cooking. All right, the first thing you want to do is to set your oven to 400 degrees. All right here we have the dry ingredients, adding the cornmeal, vegetable oil. I won't give the measurements because I have that listed below. And also it will be listed on my website, theurbansoulchef.com. All right, we're pouring in the buttermilk. Good old buttermilk. 1.5 cup buttermilk. Putting in the sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 large egg. I think I covered everything. I'll mix all this together. And this is a quick way to make cornbread, but it's one of many variations, but it's very light, fluffy. And as I said earlier, it is delicious. Okay, here I'm adding the salt. Oops. All right, now we're mixing everything together. The dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. Make sure everything is mixed. Scrape around the sides of the bowl because sometimes it can be some dry ingredients around the side, as well as pockets in the bottom. There, looks good. And I'm gonna add the baking soda a little later, but we're gonna let this sit for 20 minutes. You don't have to let it sit, but I let it sit for 20 minutes so that the cornmeal can soak up the liquids, and that helps make it even more tender. But I'm adding the baking soda here, baking powder rather. All right, I'll stir that up. You didn't see that on camera, but I stirred that up. And now I'm greasing the cast iron skillet. You can use any kind of dish you want to, but I like the cast iron. Once you have that grease good, you pour the cornmeal in. Look at that. Looks beautiful. Yes. We're going to be eating cornbread in a few minutes. Well, the oven is set at 400. You put it in for 30 minutes. Let it bake. It's going to get golden brown. Once it gets golden brown after those 30 minutes, your cornbread is going to look like this. Yes. And you want to take it out and butter it while it's hot. Give it that fresh butter taste. Doesn't that look good? If you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and also visit my website, urbansoulchef.com. Cornbread. All we're missing now is some greens and beans.